Hey, what's up guys? Today we're diving into Apple's latest heavyweights, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Just launched at Apple's big event on Monday, these are the new premium and most expensive iPhones, packed with the shiny new A18 Pro chip and some pretty cool features. First, let's talk price and availability. In India, the iPhone 16 Pro starts at Rs1, 19,900 for the 128GB model. If you're eyeing the iPhone 16 Pro Max, that starts at Rs1, 44,900 for the 256GB model. Pre-orders kick off this Friday and they'll hit the shelves on September 20th. Now, onto the design and colors. The iPhone 16 Pro series keeps the same design as last year, but with a twist. The screens have gotten bigger. The 16 Pro now boasts a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro Max scales up to a whopping 6.9 inches. The largest iPhone display ever. Both models feature thinner bezels and maintain their weight thanks to the Grade 5 titanium build. They've also introduced a new Desert Titanium color, replacing last year's Blue Titanium. So, you've got Desert Titanium, White Titanium, Black Titanium, and Natural Titanium to choose from. Let's move on to the specs. The iPhone 16 Pro rocks a 6.3-inch OLED Super Retina XDR display, and the Pro Max sports a 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display, both with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, they're powered by the A18 Pro Bionic chip, which is 15% faster than the A17 Pro, with a new 6-core GPU that's 20% faster and capable of 2x faster ray tracing. Now, camera enthusiasts, this one's for you. Both models feature a triple camera setup with a 48MP primary fusion camera, a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide camera. Selfie fans, you get a 12MP front camera. The new camera control button on the right side lets you switch between cameras seamlessly and doubles up for some AI actions like clicking and looking up pictures. Plus, the 48MP fusion camera can now shoot 4K videos at 120 FPS with a new cinematic slow-mo mode. And for the software, they come with iOS 18 right out of the box and will get Apple Intelligence as a free upgrade later this year. Other cool features include the action button, IP68 rating, USB Type-C port, MagSafe charging, and NFC. So there you have it, guys. That's your quick rundown on the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Bigger displays, faster chips, and some awesome new camera features. Are you excited to get your hands on one? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.